Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to install tonkeeper on mobile. That it's very easy. When you use Android OS, the first thing we need to go into the Play Store and then we will see this screen and please click search and type tonkeeper in this. Please enter. So we will see this tonkeeper-tor wallet and then you need to install button. I have already installed, so we will see open and I will go back to the whole screen. We will see this into the app. Okay, so we will see it have two buttons. The first button is create new wallet. This is for new one. When you have already face key, so you need to import existing wallet, but I don't have any face key, so I want to new wallet, and then I will click create new wallet. So we will see the next screen is create new passcode, and my passcode is 2580. Okay, so please type and re-enter passcode 2580. Okay, so please enable notification. Yes, so congratulations, we create a new Taunt wallet. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you at the next video.